Hi, I'm Kristin and welcome to STEM with the Houston Public Library. Today's STEM activity is creating your own coding board game, and this activity is recommended for ages 7 to 12. So you're going to be creating your own coding board game like you see right here, and you may be thinking, doesn't coding have to do with computers? But no, for this project, you're going to need the following supplies: paper, some sort of writing utensil, and then some optional items you may want are scissors, cardboard, or maybe some toy figures. So let's start off with some definitions so we know for sure what we're talking about here. All right, our first definition is computer. A computer is a device that carries out actions, makes decisions, and stores information. A computer programmer is someone who writes programs that tell a computer what to do. It might be a game or shopping or searching programs. A program is a set of instructions that computers use to carry out actions. And a code is the arrangement of instructions in a computer program. So if you want a computer to do something, you have to tell it to do that thing and exactly what to do. And to do that, you need to run a program. And that program will be made up of code. So what we're doing in this game is we're coding a program for this little dude right here to follow to get them from here to the planets. And you have to have specific instructions that are easy for the computer to understand. So our instructions here are start. We've got arrows, right or left, and up and down, and action, and of course we have to tell it when to stop. So for this board game, to get the little astronaut from their home and avoiding the asteroids to their spaceship, say hi to the alien, avoid this asteroid, and make it to the planet, we're going to have to figure out how to get through this grid. We're going to have to tell our little astronaut. So we're going to start off with start, and then to get to the spaceship, we're going to need to go right 2 squares, and then we'll do an action. We'll say get in the spaceship, and then, oh, no, and I already messed up, but that's okay because you can just fix it. We're going to go up and then get in the spaceship, and next we'll go up again, and then to the left. So I'm just gonna switch this arrow the other way to say hi to the alien, and then we'll go up again, and then to the right 2 times, and then we'll stop. Okay, so let's test it. So start, right, right, here, get in the spaceship, up, over, say hi to the alien, yo, and then up, right, right, stop, and we made it. So you can move things around, or you can have someone else try out your code however you want to play it, or you can have someone set out the code for you and you can try it however you'd like to do it. So now I'm going to show you how to make your own board. We're going to start with some paper. So 3 sheets of paper is a good amount if you're wanting to make your own characters and create your own coding cards. So first we're going to fold the pieces of paper to make our grid. This is kind of the easiest way. You can just draw a grid on there if you want, but if you want to make it even, it's easy to fold it into fourths both ways. So once you've got that, it should look like this. So here you have a grid that you can move your characters on. And I use construction paper for my other ones, but you can use just plain sheet of paper. You can make it smaller or make more squares, whatever you want. And next, you can make little figures. So I just drew mine on paper and then put them onto cardboard so that I could make them stand up. So, or if you want to, you can just draw on the cardboard and then you don't have to worry about gluing paper onto the cardboard. So you can draw your own character on the cardboard, and this is just from an old tissue box. And once you've got it, what you'll need to do is you'll need to cut slots in it so it can have the stand if you want it to stand up. So you just cut a little strip like this to make a stand. And then you fold it in half and you cut some slots, not all the way through, but at least like about 3/4 of the way. And then if you've cut some slots, some small slots right here, all you do is you slide the slots together to make the stand, and then you can have something that stands up. So once you've got your characters, or you can use little plastic or some sort of other toy figures to set up on there, however you'd like to do it, or you can just use plain paper. You can draw it on your grid, whatever works. I colored mine with markers. And then the next thing is getting your coding cards. So what you can do is you can take another piece of paper that you fold into fourths again to give you 16 cards, or you can make them smaller. And once you've got those, you can draw on your arrows, start, stop, whatever actions you want. You can write land, you can write greet alien on them, however you like to do it. At the end, you will have something like this. And you can try it out and you can create different figures or more things. I thought about creating a little wormhole that the astronaut could go through for this one, whatever you'd like to do. And that is how you create your own coding board game. If you'd like to learn more, or you'd like to look at some of the information that we used for this video, you can check out these sources. And if you make your own coding board game, please post to social media using #ILoveHPL to share it with us, because we'd love to see it. And you can follow us on social media. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.